threesome. Wouldn't want to be part of that.
There's one guy, 3 girls. Who wants whom?
Chappal, somebody's saying things.
चप्पल चप्पल
क्या मार है bro?
Fights between boys in public used to be more common, but now more and more videos of girls fighting in public are going viral.
पहले से ही.
From hair pulling to slipper hurling, these fights often end up with shoes and slippers flying in every direction. This is so mild actually. It's such a mild reaction over. Now check out this crazy video from Muzaffarpur.
चप्पल चप्पल बाप रे बाप
This red uncle ji who's just staring at them.
In the footage, 2 young girls are seen fighting on a busy road.
The person who is watching this and having a cup of tea must be having a great time.
It started off with them getting into a scuffle, and as they struggled, the boyfriend of one of the girls in a blue t-shirt was seen trying to pull her away while the other girl tried to separate them.
The guy seems to be pulling all 3 girls.
But things got even wilder as both girls pulled hair, scratched, slapped, and tore at each other's clothes.
I would have not whacked the girl, I would have whacked the boy.
And it didn't stop there. They even threw slippers at each other in the middle of the road.
What would you have in your hand as your weapon?
Stone. I would throw right at his head, aiming perfectly.
This all went down near a restaurant on Circuit House Road in Muzaffarpur.
This was too much.
The fight started because one girl allegedly saw her boyfriend with another girl at a cafe.
Tell me, if you were in the girl's position, what would you do?
Not this. Definitely not this.
What would have you done?
I would have walked away from the guy, walked out of his life forever and not spoken to him. And not done any of this for sure. As they left the cafe, things heated up and ended with 2 girls fighting publicly on the road. This video has taken social media by storm and everyone's got something to say.
This is a pure reaction. I would never give that. Karma will take care of it.
I would have walked straight to the table and said this, thank you for picking up my trash.
I don't want to be part of drama. I just want to be like disappeared. आप लड़ोगे, झगड़ोगे, फिर मनाएगा, आप मान जाओगे. तो अगर वो एक बार चीट करता है तो दोबारा भी कर ही सकता है ना. So yeah, move on girls.
What if you were the boyfriend in it? What would have you done?
Died. I mean, I wouldn't want to be in this situation at all. Considering that she would still talk to me after this spat, I would just move on with my life because something so embarrassing has happened about it already.
मैं उनको पहले छुड़वाता, समझाने की कोशिश करता, बट मैं ऐसा कभी करता नहीं. 2 लड़के मेरे बीच में आए, बट ये लड़के की गलती है, उसने ऐसा किया.
I would fight with my boyfriend. He's of course a playboy if he's doing that. If he's making me insecure over somebody else, then it's his fault.
I mean, nowadays anything impossible is nothing, but it's definitely not healthy. But we don't know his side. No, I mean, he might be just having a coffee with that girl. We don't know what she saw him doing. We've just seen the fight. So I think, I mean, it might have been a normal thing. He must be hanging out with her, whatever, and उसने देख लिया. So I don't know. I give him the benefit of doubt, but anyway, like this should not be the norm.
What would you do if you were in their position?